Hello everyone, welcome to my channel English Odyssey with me. Today I would like to share with you about myself because so that you can get to me better. So let's begin. I am Rakib Hussain. I am from Ramganj in Lakshmipur. This is my birthplace. I born there, and right now I living in Dhaka in Kollanpur. I love living here because this is a very beautiful place. As for my age, I am 23 years old, and uh, I started this YouTube channel for learning English because every day I share my every thoughts, my English journey, every day how I practice speaking regularly. This type of things I every day share with you by this making videos. Okay, I know that learning English, any kind of language to learn, it takes time. So if you can be a confidence, you can be a easy, it will help you to improve your, okay. And every day I try to practice more and more by myself. If you want to learn English, you can join me on my journey. We are learn together, and we will make our confidence and explain ourselves. Through this YouTube channel, I want to improve my confidence in English speaking because every day I share with you lots of things where how I learn English every day, and from I want to connect with people from different countries, and I want to learn from them because learning is a extraordinary things, because without learning you will not be able to learn anything. So you have to learn from different culture, and every day I don't miss to watch the news because hearing BBC news or any kind of for English uh, videos, it will help you to understand their pronunciation. So I also try every day to listen, and I heard many kinds of podcast because it also another thing which you help me better. Okay, but right now I am very beginner, so that's why I am not a fluent. And if you watch my videos, you don't mind because I have a lots of mistake. Okay, if you like my videos, you can support me by you subscribing and follow my Facebook page. Okay, and after that I will come again in front of you with new videos. Till then, Allah Hafiz.